if you want to find the best themes that you can download on the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, first of all, you have to open the settings. Then you have to go to the themes. And now, when you will be moved to the Galaxy themes, of course, you have to be logged in with your Google account or the Samsung account. And when you select themes right here and go to the right side, you can find best tab. And when you click on it, you will find the highest rated themes by users, of course. And most of them are unfortunately, we have to pay for most of them, as you can see. But yeah, that's the place where you can find the best themes for this S23 FE. This one actually looks really cute. Take a look. So yeah, if you want to get any of these themes, you can download the trial. And we can try it out for 10 minutes. Now just wait until it will be applied to the phone, and here we are. So yeah, that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.